Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm coming to you with a very short video in order for me to show you how you can spot errors inside your ad account. I do a lot of consulting calls and I have a lot of students and I know that a lot of people are not using this. Basically, it's another column that you can have and you can spot errors. Let's go straight away to my PC to show you which one is the column, and now that you're gonna put it, you're gonna spot immediately mistakes inside your ad account. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So here we are in the performance preset. If we go to customize columns over here, we can see that by default over here it has the actions, this one. Okay, so this is something that I like to use a lot, and it helps me a lot. So if you come here on analytics on all of my things here, what I like to have is delivery and action. Delivery is going to help you see if something is off. For example, it might be turned on here, but it might say ad sets off. It means that you don't have any ad set which is active. If you have all of your ads off, it's gonna say ads off, and it's gonna look over here gray like this one. So while you see this turned on over here, maybe it's not gonna be active. So you need to have the delivery. Of course, if you have a ban, hit wood. This is an expression that we use in Greece, so that we're not gonna jinx it. If this happens, you can also see that ad account restriction. You can see this kind of messages on delivery. But if we go on actions, we're able to see errors over here. Forget about the recommendations. We have done videos explaining that it doesn't matter if you follow them or not because they're just another way for Meta. Okay, I mean, in the video, there were some good recommendations, like the one that was saying that you should utilize more your reels, for example. So add music in order for you to be able to show more on these placements and stuff. But for sure, you need to have a very good filter in order to understand what is good and bad for your ad account from the recommendations. But if we check here, we can see that there are errors. For example, it says here that 2 ads in this campaign have 2 errors, review and stuff. So you can go inside this campaign, for example. Let's go in. And let's go, you can see we have a delivery error, okay? This ad is not delivering, your ad has not generating any results in the past 14 days and no longer delivering. This is one of the things that Meta is actually doing, closing some of your ads if they're not delivering or spending at all, which I'm fully against it, but still is doing it. Maybe you wanna keep this running and you can turn it on again, but here is the way for you to be able to spot this kind of problems. Did something get rejected and you missed the email? You are gonna see it here. The actions column is really important for you to be able to check these stupid mistakes or stupid errors, or maybe something that Meta has done. Also here, I want to say that if we go here, we can see that this one it's actually off, and we can go in the maximum period to see which has turned it off, okay? So you can see here that the status over here says from active to update required, which means that this over here was changed by Meta. So Meta actually closed our ad. We can see here, as you have seen over here in this one, we can see that we can check the log and see who has done changes to the ad and what happened with this ad. That's all I had for this, and I will see you for the closing of the video. Anyway, that was my short video for today with another thing that Sadly, I cannot analyze it a lot, but it's important for you to know and use it. And don't forget though that if you want to learn more, you can check my book and you can check my course where I'm having many more complex things and strategies and videos about whiteboard loom, videos of optimization from beginner to super advanced. I also include inside the chosen 5 sessions so that you can see how it is to do one-on-one coaching and what we are doing. I even have uploaded recently videos from the Black Friday, working with one of my students during the Black Friday period. And you can find all of this inside the course. You can see there's a free version that you can see how it feels, if you like it or not. And you can check also all the reviews on Trustpilot. I have also my mentorship programs. You can send me a message and see if we're a good fit, first of all, if you have enough spent so that it can work and it makes sense for you to join such an expensive program. And then we can start working together. Send me a message and maybe we can find a solution. Until we meet again, be creative and be consistent, guys.